Moving on, India recently assumed the rotating presidency of United Nations Security Council and will be hosting signature events including maritime security, peacekeeping and counter-terrorism in the month of August. India began a new journey at the United Nations Security Council this year as it became its non-permanent member for the 8th time. Ever since, New Delhi, which has not only been at the forefront of fighting terrorism, especially cross-border terrorism, but has also been one of its biggest victims, has been raising the issue of international terrorism and its sponsors at the Council. A report.
India has been a constant victim of terrorism. However, with its revised counter-terrorism strategies, the country has not only managed to defeat this menace at home, but is also leading the collective fight against this global threat, along with the world's powerful economies like the United States. Going on the same routes, India recently assumed the rotating presidency of United Nations Security Council and will be hosting signature events. As part of its new role as president of the UNSC, India will decide the agenda of the United Nations' highest decision-making body, whose resolutions and directives are binding on all member states. India will also coordinate important meetings on a range of issues during August, counter-terrorism being the most significant agenda.
We are firmly against terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. We have never failed to highlight the manifestations of terrorist activities across the world. India has consistently kept the spotlight on combating terrorism, both inside the discussions in the Council and outside as well. We have not only strengthened the efforts to combat terrorism, especially, for example, in financing of terrorism, but we have also prevented efforts to dilute the focus on terrorism.
India's permanent representative to the UN, T.S. Tirumurti, also raised deep concerns over the worsening situation of Afghanistan and said that we cannot have terrorist camps once again going back into the war-torn country. Tirumurti cited a UN report that said the number of casualties in Afghanistan during May-June exceeds the number between January and April, proving that violence is increasing in the nation. In the backdrop of intensifying conflicts in Afghanistan, Tirumurti's comments come when asked about how India plans to take the lead highlighting the situation in Afghanistan and will India initiate a discussion on Pakistan for supporting the Taliban.
So the members of the Security Council are naturally deeply concerned at the turn of events. India has always maintained that we would like to see an independent, peaceful, democratic, stable, and a prosperous Afghanistan. And we have been calling for immediate cessation of violence. We need to ensure that the neighbors are not threatened by export of terrorism, extremism, and separatism. And we have consistently underlined that the gains of the last 2 decades, especially with respect to women and minorities, should not be lost.
Terrorism is a global phenomenon whose destructive potential and lethal reach is enhanced by breakneck technological innovations and ever-evolving digital landscape. Terrorists are using internet and social media for terrorist propaganda, radicalization and recruitment of cadre, misuse of new payment methods such as blockchain currencies, payment wallets and crowdfunding platforms for terrorism financing. Domestic measures alone cannot deal with terrorism as long as some countries continue to provide safe haven for terrorists. Therefore, to be effective, the fight against terrorism must be long-term, sustained and global. It must tackle not just the perpetrators of the acts, but also those who support and sponsor them.